Hi scientists, thanks for joining me and Simon today as we do another really fun science experiment. Today is a classic chemistry experiment where we're doing a neutralization reaction between an acid and a base. We're going to be using vinegar and baking soda, but you could use lemon juice and baking soda or even Alka-Seltzer tablets and water. There's a lot of different combinations that you can try here. And what's going to happen is we are going to do this in a canister, and it is going to neutralize the acids and bases, and then they are going to produce a gas which is going to build up pressure and cause our canister to explode or fly. So it's going to be a blast. Let's go get in my kitchen. Simon's ready to go, and we're gonna go have some fun. Okay, so here I have my film canister with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And I have my little jar here that has 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. We are gonna take these outside and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So this is a pretty classic chemistry reaction where I have baking soda in my canister here, and the baking soda is a base. It has extra hydroxides in it, and the vinegar is an acid. It has extra hydrogens. When I mix them together, they create water and gas. The gas creates a pressure in the canister that causes it to explode. So here we are in my driveway, and I'm getting ready to mix my vinegar with my baking soda. I'll go ahead and shake the baking soda to the side of the canister here to make room for the vinegar. That way they mix a little more slowly. It's really important to get the lid on and flip it as fast as you can because this reaction happens really quickly. And we already missed it. There it is, and I'll go ahead and repeat it in slow motion here for us to see. And you'll notice that the canister actually hits the roof of the garage awning there, and this is why we do the experiment outside. Thank you for joining Simon and I today as we did the popping canister experiment. I hope that you had a lot of fun and that you learned something. I'm really curious what kind of chemicals you used in your canisters. Did you use lemon juice or baking soda, Alka-Seltzer, vinegar, some other kind of acid or base? Let me know in the comments below and how it worked out for you. And until next time, keep discovering.